guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be Empties products I used up. I'm in my jammy jams because I'm about to get the kids a bath and we all going to bed early because I'm not feeling my best, okay? So I've had the cold, like, I don't know if you can hear it in my nose, and in my voice. I'm not 100% right now. Kids are in there playing, so I got my door open because I gotta hear my babies now. But they watching TV, they're playing on their game, and their brother, the big brother's right in there. So yeah, let's get into this Empties. It's a lot of empties. And I want to throw the trash out. Kenny about to take out the trash, so I'm trying to get this video up. Well, not up, it won't be up today, but it'll be up tomorrow. But I wanted to get the video recorded. That way this trash can get gone. It's not gonna be in order. This dog been outside barking. I don't know who dog it is, but it's ridiculous. It's gonna be this kiwi passion fruit gentle foaming hand soap with vitamins A, B, and E. It looks like that. I finished it up. It was in the kids' bathroom. They really like the foaming hand soaps. It's easier for kids to use foaming hand soaps, and I'm here for foaming hand soaps because they use up a lot quicker than the other ones. So yeah, we used this up. We did use up the raspberry rose. This was in me and Kenny's bathroom. The creamy luxe hand soap looks like this, and it's all gone. And it smells really good, and I already have a backup, so we in there. So I have more of them so I can enjoy the scent a lot longer, but I'm not going to use it. I already switched it out to the aromatherapy orange and ginseng energy one is the one I'm using now in my bathroom. I went through this candle, and this is actually going to be in my monthly favorites this month. Mango pineapple. Like, it's still some left. As you guys can see, it's still some left, but it's not giving off a good scent anymore. You can't really smell it when it's lit now. You can't smell anything, so I moved on. I get bored, I move on. And like, if it's halfway, then I save it, but it's at a point where it's not giving off any smell anymore. But this is the pineapple mango, and this is going to my monthly favorites too, because this was my favorite candle this month. It was everything. The burn was amazing, and I absolutely love it. So next year I would definitely repurchase this bad boy. This is another favorite. This is lemon mint leaf, and you know what? Because look, y'all, I still have a little bit in there. Even though it's not giving off a strong scent, I could put this in my bathroom. So it's still gonna be considered an empty, but I'm gonna give a little bit more life to it, okay? This lemon mint leaf, though, I used it up, and I will repurchase it if it comes back during candle day, but no time soon because I'm ready to move on. But it smells really good, and that was Christian, but it smells really good. Item I used up is the watermelon lemonade body wash. It was okay. I mean, nice scent. If it came back next year, I'll try it again, but yeah, that's that. I finished up my fave. Well, the kids finished up my fave. The lavender and sandalwood. It's bae. Love it. Absolutely love it. I know people are like, if you buy it and you don't love it, then what? I love it. I still have like 2 or 3 left. I used up the grapefruit breeze. That one was really, really good. Definitely will repurchase it. I used up the Venus Olay Violet Swirl. Got this last year for $1 at the Dollar Tree. I bought a lot of them, so I have a lot to go through. I used up the Pure Silk Spa Therapy Shave Cream. This one is in coconut. I love it. I have a lot of them. I will continue to purchase it. I love the lather of it, so it works really well for me. What else did I finish up? I'm just going in, grabbing. I did finish up my Garnier Skin Active Refreshing Facial Cleanser. So this one is used up, and in its place I actually went and started using all Neutrogena. So now I use Neutrogena for my face. The one I'm using right now is the Healthy Skin Boosters. I use this one in the morning, and look how much I've already used. Let you know I like it, right? And I use this one at night, and this is the Hydro Boost Gentle Cleansing Lotion. I actually went and got the whole line of the Hydro Boost because I like it so much. I went through my St. Ives Radiant Skin Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange Scrub. It's really pretty packaging. It was really nice. Do I need to repurchase it? No, because I got enough Bath & Body Works scrubs and pink scrubs that's going to get me through for the rest of this year. And speaking of Bath & Body Works, I got through the Cabana Breeze Smoothie Scrub. Amazing. Absolutely love it. And I would definitely repurchase it if Cabana Breeze came back. Got through a Pure Silk. This is the Tea Tree Body Oil from the Dollar Tree. Love them. I live by them. And I got through the one in coconut as well. I got through 2 misters of my shimmering cooling mist. I got through the white mango chill, and I got through the coconut water chill. It's been over like, I want to say a week or so where the heat index was over 110, so these definitely came in handy, so I used these up. Another soap, okay, I got through the golden pear. This was in my kitchen. I got through the golden pear. It is all gone. We got through the body wash in coconut and mango from Bolero. It was okay. Will I repurchase? Probably not. I got through the amber and argan from Bath and Body Works. Absolutely love it. Will I repurchase it? Heck yeah, I absolutely love this one. I did get through my cilantro peach gentle foaming hand soap as well. So this one is used up, and I already have 2 backups. Will I buy more if hand soaps went on sale for $3? Heck yeah. I did get through the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It's amazing. It smells good. It's all used up. Absolutely loved it. Will I repurchase it? Yes. I know Sephora's about to have their sale where they're giving a discount, but I ain't even gonna buy it right now because, like I said, I'm going on a Neutrogena skincare for the next few months, so I'm not gonna purchase now. I'm going to wait till they send out that little coupon. I think it's like 50 if you spend 50 get 20 off or something like that. They do it around Christmas time, and then I'll re-up. I got through my Velation Helix AM PM eye gel. Yes, I will repurchase it. Absolutely love it. It's a Sephora exclusive. It's all gone, y'all. I would definitely repurchase it, but I got a lot of eye creams I have to get through right now. I finished up my Ole Henriksen Transform Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. Will I repurchase it? Nah, wasn't a big fan of it, but it's all gone. All gone. I got through my Love When You Call Me Big Papa. Yeah, my mask from Pink. I did get through the Dove Beauty Cream, and yes, we used it on our body, not our face. So I got this from the Dollar Tree, so now it's gone. It can go in the trash. I did get through some makeup items I want to show you real quick. Not too many. The Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream, I got through that. And I think this is in TJ Maxx and stuff now, so that's gone. This I actually let expire. This is Josie Maran, is it? Because I was into Josie Maran heavy about 4 years ago. And this is a hydrating treatment mist. And this is just so old, it's no longer in good. Cute packaging though, and I wanted to hold on to it for the packaging, and I'm going to just put something else in it, but the product that's inside is gotta go. This is what I'm most proud of right now. I got through not 1, but 2 fine fragrance mists this month. Hey, and my sis Nicole No Fire explained how to get them used up in her last Empties video, putting them on your, you can spray them on your blinds, wipe them down, spray them throughout your rooms, spray them in your car and all that stuff. I did it all, sis. I did all of it, and it worked. So I finished up my lavender and sandalwood. I think I have 1 more left. I'm not gonna spray that one. I'm gonna save it. And I used up the lemon pomegranate cream. Now y'all know I had some that didn't have tops, so what I did was the tops, since they're empty, I went ahead and just put the tops onto 2 that were missing tops. So now they have tops, and then these 2 of course don't have one because they're going in the trash anyway. So I finished that up. I was so proud of myself when I finished that up. I did finish up the Bolero facial wipes. I have other facial wipes that'll be in the next video because I haven't gotten through a whole lot this video. Well, this month, but next month, just you wait. Is a lot of them that's gonna be in that one, but this is for this month. I got through the Smooth and Shine. This is from whoever, I don't know, but I got through this. It was okay. It wasn't all that. Will I repurchase it? Nah, I wasn't a big fan of it at all. I have to throw this away, which makes me really sad. It's my Makeup Forever HD High Definition Foundation. Y'all had this for like 7 years. I ain't never gonna finish it, and I'm throwing it away. I just 7 years. Come on, son. It's time to part ways. So I'm letting that go. I finished up another hair product. This is the Shea Moisture Superfruit Multivitamin Hair Mask. Will I repurchase? Nah, I wouldn't repurchase this, but it was a nice buy at the time. I got through my Crest 3D Luxe, the Glamorous White. So that is used up, finished. I absolutely love Crest toothpaste. Love Crest, especially the whitening toothpaste. It's everything. Last set of things, wallflowers. I go through these like crazy. This is just 6 of them. This one is the Black Cherry Merlot. Bomb. But it loses its scent after a while. Or maybe the scent is there and I just can't smell it because I'm immune to it. It's like, because it's always going. So 3 of the pistachio ice cream. It's life. Love it. I cannot wait to get more of it. I got through a Tiki Beach. Can't go wrong with Tiki Beach. And I got through sun-ripe raspberry. And woo, sun-ripe raspberry is strong. Strong. Like, would I repurchase? Yes, but I will put it in a different room. This is too strong for a bathroom. Way too strong unless you got a big master bathroom, which I don't. So I would put this in like the main family room. This is where this needs to be, in the main family room, not in my bathroom. So that's it, guys. That's my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit different, well, not different location, but I'm a little bit closer into you guys, and I'm just dressed all the way down, got my PJs on, okay? But I wanted to bring you this empties video and my comfy cozies and just relaxing. And just wanted to say I love you guys. 30K, what's good? Y'all thought I wasn't gonna talk about it? Let me talk about it real quick. Giving honor to God, that's the head of my life. Let me stop, y'all. Let me stop. But 30K, okay. I see y'all. I want to say thank you guys. 30K, like, we're on the road to 100K. Like, my ultimate goal would be so cool if I hit 100K on this channel. Because it shows that it's moms out there that love beauty, but love to be moms, and I can relate. That you can relate to me, so that's pretty cool. So 30K, y'all said what's good, Tina. Subscribed and is rocking with me. Watch the videos, comment. Sometimes I don't have time to comment back, so I make sure to like your comment because I do read them. Trust me, I read them. And I you know, and when I can comment back, I comment back. I have a hectic schedule. Y'all know I work like crazy. I work 6 days a week, and I do this, and I got the kids, and it's just nuts. And the kids just went back to school. Well, Justin just went back to school. It's nuts around here. So thank you for rocking with your girl. Absolutely love every single one of you. 30K in the building. Woo, woo. Thank you guys. Thanks for enjoying the channel. And that's all I gotta say. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, tell your mom about me, your cousin, your sister, your friend, you know. Tell everybody, check me out, you know, check me out, you know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And the next one will be, what are we gonna do for the next video? You'll find out soon. I'll see you guys later. Bye.